I'm going to show you a video that I edited from
Okay.
raw
Okay.
and how I did that. And you can also pull little clips from the video and make them into reel. It goes with AI, so you can use ChatGPT along with it.
Mhm.
So this is gonna be great. It's gonna basically, because you know how, oh man, I gotta prepare a slide and I gotta do blah 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 blah. So this will help you. Like for me, this is what I'm gonna be using for my course creation moving forward
Okay.
because I can easily just talk about my points and it'll create visuals for me. And you can
Okay.
edit it within the app and
Okay.
easy because I have done iMovie, I have done other things as well.
Okay.
And this is one of the easiest thing, and I'm OMG, this is a game changer, girl. This is amazing. Instead of
Alright.
hiring a video editor, you can do this and do it well. You know what I'm saying?
I
Man, there's
got
an
you.
editor for but imagine we wanna be in our business, we wanna know how things are done, right? And in the
Right.
beginning, we wanna know how we can get this. So this is AI being your video editor with
Okay.
and you helping out. It
Okay.
transcribes your video so you can so Loom does a little bit, but this does it even better.
Okay.
Alright, let's go ahead. I'm gonna share my screen.
Okay.
Let me alright, alright. So, I'm gonna go straight to it. Okay, so this is your dashboard, right?
Mhm.
Over here, the bot, AI bot is that. So, I'm gonna
Mhm.
go ahead and I'm gonna make sure that I download this video. So, you can choose what you want it to do
Mhm.
on here, but how I to start it is you can either start new project, click up here, start new project,
Mhm.
and then video project, and then here will take you to where you wanna upload. So,
Mhm.
when I'm stuck anywhere, I use ChatGPT for the prompts whenever I get stuck. But I'm gonna show you we're gonna clean this up, we're gonna make it really fantastic. At the same time that it's uploading, it's also transcribing.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the one that I did about hiring help. I'm gonna show you how we're gonna put a title on it, we're gonna put subtitles on it, we're gonna put transition, even talking points. You can
Okay.
also do that. Mhm. Which I think is great, and I'm gonna show you how to do all of that. I think with this one, I'll be able to do that. Sometimes we don't know how long these videos are. It depends on where you record it, like, in Circle, it does have it in high gigabytes. So when I download it, it is definitely high gigabytes. Thank God for unlimited in Loom. Loom
Right.
allows you to post, videos unlimited. So I was like, That's why I like anything unlimited." I think for this one, Descript does have different packages and there's certain limitations. I think it's more of like AI limitations.
Mhm.
I feel as though if like, in the beginning of your business and you wanna do, um, videos and you wanna be on YouTube and you wanna, at least something that can help you look a bit professional and polished, this is a great option.
I'm looking forward to seeing how the Descript works because I wanna actually go back and repurpose, like, all those old videos that I was sitting in my office.
Yeah, so this is what's great about that because it's making me look at a different way of developing content that's easier, and so this is definitely going to help with that. I mean, you're gonna see how cool this is, you're gonna be blown. And I don't know, God always
There.
has me, like, learning all of the tech.
I know. That's what I appreciate about you, one of the things. But you're always looking and I'm like, "Hey, hey, hey, hey."
I'm enjoying it. Okay, so I'm gonna let this finish transcribing. It's probably gonna also put, like, a suggested title while it's finishing up.
Okay.
I think this is, like, one of the coolest things, like, to be honest with you, because I was looking for, like, "Man, how am I gonna show up on YouTube?" I don't wanna have to be editing on, iMovie and just having to do all this thing and then, So now
Mhm.
that's recording, especially when you're in educating people, this is a great way to do that. So,
That's really quick. Okay, cool.
well, boom, you see how it's already transcribed the full video and I can edit in both sides,
Right.
right? So I'm gonna hit play on it just so I can see. Okay. So so the first thing that I'm going to do is go over here in AI tools. So here's where you can do a prompt. So what I have to do is ask Underlord, that's what it's called, for suggestions. So I'm gonna go
Okay.
ahead and do that. right? And it says, "What are the creatives way I can improve and enhance this video?" I'm gonna go ahead and upload that, and it's thinking
Mhm.
for me on how to improve this video. And then it
Okay.
comes up with an action plan. So that's the first thing that I do. I'm
Okay.
showing you there's different ways of people on YouTube that show how to do it, but I'm telling you the easiest way for me. Let's see what the AI says, right?
Okay.
So it's coming up with a plan.
Okay.
See that?
Uh-huh.
Okay. It looks like it's done with the plan. So it's gonna do these things. I'm gonna go ahead and say, go for it.
Okay.
Why overthink it? So now it's going to implement cleaning up the audio, right? I said it's going to clean up the audio, it's gonna do certain things.
Mhm.
See, I can start with scene creation, captions, audio cleanup, or visual elements. I put go for it. So boom, it's leveling the audio.
Mhm.
It's applying studio sound to it, so it's making it crispier and cleaner.
Mhm.
It puts captions on it. It's doing some transition scenes, it looks or
Mhm.
next episodes you can take. So your podcast is now much more professional and that okay. So this one I
Okay.
don't want to add it as a podcast. I would like to have it maybe ready for it. All right. So what I'm gonna do is I have to then after that, after it's done all of that, I have to go here into properties
Okay.
and I have to let me see, all scenes. No, maybe it's elements. Let me see. Where's it the AI too? Okay, so this is when I go to ChatGPT, right? When you're stuck somewhere, you're like, man, because these tools are crazy, right?
Mhm.
So I like to go here to ChatGPT and I say, I am developing a video for YouTube to be high engaging inside. I am not developing, editing a video for YouTube on Descript. I need a prompt for it to use one of its design layouts, transitions to have key points and transitions along with a bit of B-roll and and zooming in on, strategically, I'm but strategic on who is talking along with text on screen. This is a hit or miss, okay? Let's see what happens,
Okay.
right? I'm gonna go ahead and ask because AI is talking with AI, might as well. So
Right.
paste into Underlord. So look, even ChatGPT understands who Underlord is.
Okay.
So boom. So let's see. It says if you can create just tell me you're building a whole okay. Okay. Yes. All of the above. Making it simple.
Mhm.
I'm gonna do this. YouTube description template to upload to Descript. Please edit this video. Here it is. I'm gonna do this one. Here's the script on the learn master prompt. I'm gonna go here.
Mhm.
All right. Let's see. Let's see what happens. I'm gonna go ahead and click here. I'm gonna go do this. I'm gonna go. So it's doing all the work, you know? It's clipping it. Look, it's putting a title.
Oh, wow.
I know. I know. All I gotta do is and I'll show you how you can edit inside of it too, which is I think is amazing.
Okay.
And that's how I use ChatGPT with it, because sometimes I need a good prompt to get
Mhm.
exactly what I want, and sometimes ChatGPT can get you that.
Mhm.
So it's still processing. And I was having key overlay and texts to some of the scenes and applying smooth transitions. It's so cool, right? That
Mhm.
was a
It is.
raw video, right? It was a raw video with no it took me a while to figure this thing out, okay? This thing is hard. So I'm giving you step by step.
Okay.
The easiest way a beginner could use it. You get what I'm saying? Because when I was looking for YouTube videos on it, it was very complicated.
Okay.
Okay, here it is. And sometimes it's a hit or miss. You gotta really play around with it.
Mhm.
Boom. Look, smooth transition. Let's play it. So I'm gonna put it in 10x speed so we can go zoom through it really fast.
Okay.
This video maintains ready to upload. Okay, let's see what happens. So boom in the beginning here.
Mhm.
Look, it put the title. Right?
Okay, nice.
Look how that and how I remember with a pause and we were talking and all that?
Mhm.
So I made it ready for YouTube. Look at that. So I'm gonna speed this up so we can kinda see if there's any oh, if I can mute this while this is going. But anyways, so if there's ums and ahs, I can also ask it to delete it.
Okay,
So
great.
what I'm looking for is some of the transitions that I requested for it, right?
Mhm.
Sometimes it'll be able to do it, sometimes no.
Mhm.
Let me see if it did any. So here it did something. Okay. So you see, so this is why okay, right here, there's some text on the screen, right? So what I
Mhm.
do here when I see something like that, I go into properties and I go here into layout, and then
Okay.
I put it how I want it to view, right? So I probably and I can use different layouts. So I can change the pack and I can
Mhm.
use some of these, right? That have color and all that,
Right.
right? This one, I'm gonna go ahead and go with that one, make it fun, right?
Okay.
And then from there, I'm gonna choose probably this because it looks like there's something there. I'm
Mhm.
gonna and it's applying it. And now it's gonna go ahead and automatic that text. Look,
Mhm.
so when I play this, I'm gonna put this in normal speed, right?
Oh, nice. Okay.
And I can actually edit this. I double clicked it and I could edit here, right? Because she's the one talking there, right?
Oh, okay, nice. Okay, gotcha.
Isn't that cool?
Yeah.
So, and I can change any of this. It's Canva for videos,
Okay.
right? So I can
I
go in
love
and
Canva.
change that. Huh? I
Right.
know. Okay. And I think it applied. Let me see. Okay. So, and I can view, see, there's another one here.
Mhm.
So again, I go here and then I can probably what I can do. Let's see what happens when I do this. No, because the words. There's words there. So let me see. Which
Mhm.
one do I want? I can also do this. I can use
Okay.
that, right? And then I go here. Look at that, right?
Okay.
And then I can transition this out to make it look even cooler, right? Because we're trying to look cool over here into something like this. Maybe zooming into something like this. Look, right? I'm gonna double click this. I'm gonna move
Mhm.
her over. She's the one
Mhm.
mainly
'Cause
speaking.
she's the one talking. Mhm.
Yeah. Look how that zooms. Cool, right?
Mhm. Mm.
The transitions are flawless and professional,
Okay.
right?
Right.
And what I can see, because look, that's staying on for a bit. Oh, look at you there, April, right?
Right.
So let's just say me and I want a little bit more of those key points, and then I can ask it, can you apply the what was that? Let me see, what was that property? What was that? Miami Dragon Fruit Light. So I'm gonna ask it, can you apply the Miami Dragon Fruit Light to all of the videos, including with B-roll, and that would grab the viewer's attention, right? Something like that. Let's see what happens because like I said
What do
it's
you
hit or
mean by
miss.
B-roll?
Huh?
What do you mean by B-roll?
So B-roll is those images that kind of pop up, right? The
Okay.
images, like the images.
Okay. That ass.
Okay, let's see. Boom. So I did it with the Miami layout, right? The one that I chose. It changed the
Okay.
beginning. It's crazy, right?
Mhm.
What
It's awesome. Yeah.
it's awesome.
Wow.
So imagine having to do all of that by yourself.
No.
I
That's
mean,
why my videos is
and so imagine
that's
you just
awesome.
talking and hitting key points, and
Right.
then all you gotta do is you can transition your frame and then having the key points on the left hand or right hand side, whatever you want.
Mhm.
So look, it's even importing stock media.
Ooh, okay.
I don't even know what it's doing, but it's making it cool.
It reminds me of oh goodness, what's the actor's name? Oh, he was with in the movie with Kevin Hart. He was I don't know what he's saying, but it's awesome.
Yeah, and the great thing
I don't know what it's doing, but it's awesome.
right? It's so good. It's so
Mhm.
good. I mean, it was just, wow. Instead of trying to get a video editor, right, to do all of that
Man,
and
yo,
looking for the right person and all that, and,
they could understand these patterns, man.
what happened?
Also understanding these patterns and how things are changing. The apps are crazy, crazy. What it
Yeah.
does is it makes you have control over your own brand
It does. And
and
then
make you
and then when you're
responsible.
ready to outsource, you're able to.
Right. And then when you outsource, they're
Because the
gonna use this.
competition is crazy. The
Yeah.
competition is berserk. And
Yes.
in essence, right? So how can you visually, right? You gotta do your work you care. You get what I'm saying? You gotta put some
Yeah.
care into your work. I mean, do your best, God does the rest. You get what I'm
Mhm.
saying? Like,
Mhm.
each day, try to get better and better. You may start off doing those videos with no edits and no cleaning up of the audio. You may start there, but
Right.
you gotta be willing to get better.
You gotta be willing to get better. Yeah.
You gotta be willing, or you're gonna be left in the digital dust because
Yeah.
it's crazy.
Well, I mean, it's funny because everybody's, "How do you make money with AI?" And I was like, "Listen, everybody, this this is the thing. This is what I see. You gotta work. This is
Yeah.
not I magically snap my fingers and then just all of the money just
Yeah.
falls out of the sky and I got money. No, you've gotta work." And going into business and really doing now I know why I didn't wanna do the social media because I knew that I had to you can't be lazy. You must be you gotta be present. And so even when I was taking the different classes, because I took one class before the class I met you, and everybody consistently said the same thing, and I was, "Oh, oops, so don't wanna do this." And now that I'm doing it, I was just, "Alright, alright."
Right? I mean, having is okay, so here's where I have some B-roll, right? So
Ooh.
right. So let's see how it is right now, what it put in, right?
Mhm,
Right? So what I have to do when I have a B-roll, I'm trying
mhm.
to pause it. Oh, alright. So oh, dang, look at how I did that transition too. Dang. So, what I don't how it's full screen. So oh, wait, it's still processing it? Oh, it's still applying edits. Oh, it's doing a good
Yeah,
job. Oh, shoot. It's gonna be amazing. I'm putting this on YouTube.
that's it. Now I can't wait to start.
But isn't this amazing though?
It is. That's very cool. A lot.
I had to show you guys. I had to. That's what I'm trying to make each month. Yeah, we have Q&As, but also have the new tools to help you because this is great also for those replays, right?
Mhm.
Great when you're doing classes, when you're doing those live classes.
Oh, yeah. So quick question. While this
Yeah.
is still applying you edits, how about I got an invite to be part of an email bundle?
Okay, there you go.
And so she's, you gotta have something $37 or more. And I was just out, but it doesn't really give me an idea of who her audience is, and I'm not quite sure.
Just
I was just like,
reply back. Who is your audience?
okay.
Yeah, reply back with questions that you have just to make sure if that's a good fit.
Yeah. Okay, cool. All right. That worked. And then yeah, so it gives me I still because I'm thinking about doing it anyway. And then just depending on what she says, I've got something. And
Yeah,
so
yeah.
yeah, I'm nervous as hell, but I'm excited. But I don't have a lot of people. Well, I for my emails I have about 200 on my emails for my
Wow, look
business.
at you.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, so I think the results are done.
Oh,
Let's
they are.
look at
Okay,
it.
cool.
Okay.
I
Let's
just can't
see.
hear anything, but yeah.
You can't hear the video?
I can't hear the video.
Oh, I thought you could.
No.
That's weird. Okay. Well, all right, let me see. So what I have to do is go through it, search for it, right? Search for any of the edits. I am
Mhm,
going to apply because this is where it's edited. It's taken things out, all of that, and just made
mhm.
it very focused on the theme of what the video is about, the
Okay.
overall feel of the video.
Mhm.
That's what it's done. I'm trying to look for it. I don't see any. Maybe it's a little. Oh, here it is. Here is some. Oh, this is when you show up.
Yeah, but I don't see anything.
Yeah, me neither. It could be that I need to play it. But the great thing is, guys, I have 3 days that I block off One is
Mhm,
for client work, one is for CEO days, and one is for anything extra that maybe someone can't fit in my schedule, need the rescheduling and stuff like that. So I do
mhm.
Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays for those days. So
Okay.
choose a day that you're working on your business, on these editing things, and on making your business better, the back end, because we can always make it better, or even your social media or something like that. So you
Oh,
see
there
how
it
this
is.
is so you see how this is what I to do when I come in because I can edit this. You see that?
Mhm,
I either can make it smaller, right?
mhm.
Let me see. I can make it smaller or even I'm gonna go ahead and why? All right. I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on and have the text a little bit smaller so I can go over here and I go back and forth while I put my pointer down.
Okay, got you.
All right. So maybe I should make it that it fits inside. There it goes. Boom.
Okay.
That looks good.
Mhm,
So it does basically it overlaid some of the words that she was saying.
mhm.
That's what she's saying. The audio sounds really great. I'm sorry that you can't hear it. Okay.
Oh,
So huh?
okay. So once you turn it on, it's you start to see the changes.
Mhm. Oh, okay. Okay, here is one of them. So this one didn't do it. See, so sometimes it would do it, sometimes it would clean it up. So what I would do is just play the video, the full video, and then come
Mhm.
in here and do the edits that I would like to see. Like
Right,
you gotta learn how to do the thing. So
right. Yeah,
that
you
one's like a
you wanna
title.
watch it and then mhm,
You got to. I mean, it's gonna get better, right? This is still new. So this one, it has kind of 5 more templates that I can use. I can go in
mhm.
either there or there's a one that I really that is under let me see. I think it's here. Nope, maybe here. A circle? Yeah, this little circle here.
Mhm.
Right? Who's talking? Let me see who's talking on there and I can just move that. Oh, so see? So and then I can move this anywhere I want.
Okay.
And then I can scroll this over by double clicking.
Okay.
Cool, right? I mean, shoot.
Mhm. That's very cool.
It's Canva see? Boom. And then it'll zoom back out,
Okay.
right? So basically what I would do is I go through all the clips. You see how there's different clips? I would go all
Mhm.
of it, click on the clip, see how far it is,
Mhm.
and apply the transitions that you want for the clips.
Okay.
Sometimes see, there's some words here. I'm gonna go
Yeah,
ahead and go
and
here,
make the
and then
correction that you want.
yeah, yeah, make that correction. Or it's probably a good one,
It's
maybe.
just weird that it just pops up in the middle of it, the separation and highlighting that.
Okay, is applying the layout. And you gotta give it time to apply the speaking. See, it'll pull from what the video is about and put it there.
Okay.
And I think that's great and fantastic. So I'm moving this here, right? Because it's probably
Mhm.
her speaking, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah.
Okay, boom, there's another one,
Okay.
right? Again, I'm gonna go here in properties. No. Yeah, it's in properties. I'm gonna go all
Okay.
scenes. I guess I can also do all scenes. And maybe that's how I can edit the whole thing, but I'm
Mhm.
gonna go here. Where was it? Let me see. Gotta go back and forth. Here it is. Okay, the layout. Sometimes you gotta click your way through stuff.
Okay.
And for this one, maybe I'll go with this one. But maybe let's see what type of paragraph it comes up with. And if when you have a picture like this, that you can add a picture here.
Okay.
So I'm gonna go here. I'm gonna pick this one. Let's see what happens. Let's see what it comes up with. Boom.
Okay.
And I double click it. She's still speaking and put it there. And so I can see the transition going from here
Mhm.
or to there.
There.
Right?
Mhm.
And then so I'll go through, click on it, whatever's not highlighted, see if there's
Mhm.
any because we did add some B-roll, and I'm just I'm trying to see the B-roll. I don't see it nowhere.
Yeah, I don't see the B-roll. That was
Yeah, that was
interesting.
weird, right? It was adding some good
Yeah.
ones.
I thought it yeah.
Right, that's a long one. Okay, so I'll just see what it did.
Mhm.
It's not perfect. I wish it
Right.
was better,
Yeah.
but as you play around usually it is. I did one video and I think it's maybe because it's a long video, could be.
Okay.
This is an hour, 48 minutes. It did chop some stuff up. So you can ask it, like, let's see what happens.
Okay.
Examining scenes.
It says I can see the issue.
Mhm. Okay, and then we're gonna add captions.
Okay.
And look, we're doing all this with before an hour, right? Less
Right.
than an hour. All right, so it's doing its thing. Isn't that what do you think about this?
I love it. It's awesome. I got listen. Now I'm gonna go to all of my old ones and I'm sorry.
I know. I mean, now I wanna show up on YouTube because now I have something that can edit it.
Yeah. Because I have a lot of I still have the raw footage from my original ones that you gotta add captions. They ain't add captions. I didn't get rid of the original. I kept the raw footage, which I'm glad for. So
Good? Okay, so let me see. Okay, it's updating tracks.
mhm.
But, I mean, really cool, right? I
Mhm.
mean,
Oh, here you go.
yeah, let's see what happens.
Processing tracks now.
Wow. I just isn't it cool? And the thing about it, the great thing is you can also revert. "Oh, I made that mistake." It could roll back. I
Okay,
could roll
cool.
back to original ones, yeah. So what I like to do where when I see where I got it, I to duplicate it
Got you.
just in case. And once you
Okay.
exit out, you won't be able to roll back.
Get it back.
So in
Okay.
here, I can
So
definitely undo,
okay. So
boom.
I should do it, duplicate it, and then play with it. Okay, cool.
Okay, look,
All right.
it's now it's adding the B-roll.
Okay.
Now it's showing beautifully, it said. Talks a person. This is crazy. Would you need to restore the content or would you prefer to undo manually and I can continue whatever you think is best, I'm gonna put.
Okay.
'Cause I don't even know. I don't know what you're doing. So it's you really talking to it, looking at the scenes, editing where you wanted to edit. Oh, if it looks off, you can change the layout.
Okay.
Isn't that I mean, that's ridiculous. This is
Mhm.
ridiculous. Okay, it says, "Will you need to add more B-roll or just the positioning styling of the existing?" Let's see what happened. So, did it do every scene? I hope not. I think it did oh, no, it didn't. Okay, okay. It is some.
Okay.
So, boom. Okay, so let's look at so when you have a B-roll scene, so oopsies. So I like to look at it this with clicking at it so I know
Mhm.
how much I have. If I wanna change the
Mhm.
layout, I can. So I'm gonna do that. This is a long one. Bop, bop, bop. Okay, here's the B-roll. So it did insert the B-roll, but I do not like the way that it inserted the B-roll. So I'm gonna go here, and you see
Mhm.
these have the images that
Mhm.
or this. These are the ones that you can add, or you can even when it says 5 or more, they have different ones. So I can do this and let the B-roll. It's gonna apply the B-roll to that side.
Mhm.
Usually, it looks like it's not doing that. Usually it would. So, okay, so that's not working. So I'm gonna go back. Remember how I said you can undo it?
Mhm.
Let let's just look at how I'm gonna click off of here.
Mhm.
I'm gonna go here. It has all of the things that we did. I'm gonna go ahead and click actually on here to undo what I just did. So
Okay.
this you undo here to undo what it did, the AI did.
Okay.
But here, whatever you do is better to do it here to undo it on this
Okay.
part. You
Gotcha.
can't redo. So don't undo something that you wanna redo it. "Oh, I wanna see which one is better." Don't do that. So,
Okay.
let's say I have it there and I wanna save where I'm at. What I to do, I said to you, to duplicate it. So no. Okay, I'm gonna go click here,
Mhm.
and I'm gonna click duplicate. So I
Okay.
just duplicate it, have a backup, right? A copy of it, because you never
Mhm.
know, right? Because 'Cause we're doing all these
Right.
changes to it, and how AI is, you never know.
Right.
So the next thing, all right, we got I'm gonna put here, please apply the Miami design layout to the B roll sections. That's what
Okay.
I want. Instead of
Gotcha.
me having to manually do it, let's see if it will do it. And then I think I'm gonna finish it off. Boom. So it's doing it now.
Okay.
Crazy, right?
Mhm.
Perfectly okay. So let's see if it did. Okay, query. Okay, it's still doing its thing. But doesn't this give you a bit of some creative freedom to do your videos and feel a bit confident if you record something that you can just pop it in?
Mhm. Yes, very much so.
Okay, now I'm gonna show you really quick how I do reels with it.
Oh, okay, cool.
I know. It's too cool. It's too cool. All right. So now, okay. So let's check it out. I'm gonna check it out. So let's go over to that B-roll scene and let's see if it did what I wanted it. I'm gonna do that so I can know where I'm at. Okay. So
Okay.
it kind of did it. Let's see. Boom. Okay. Perfect.
Oh, okay, you just gotta move you gotta move the,
Yeah.
yeah.
So I
Okay,
did move it. So I'm gonna do it to me because I did a lot of her.
okay.
Oh, okay. That was a move for me to do that. It worked. Boom. Cool, right?
Nice. Nice, yeah.
Nice. Nice.
Very nice. Okay,
Very,
so you
very
it's
nice.
so when you're doing it, you've gotta do it's doing one thing at a time
Yes, you
right
gotta make
now
sure that you're
before
doing
it.
it. Yeah, but it's
Yeah,
worth
and
it.
yeah, because 'cause you're just layering. So you alright, do me the B-roll. Now do me this particular
Yeah, because
style.
it won't be able to do everything all at once. It's having you
Right,
do
and it's a lot. So
so
yeah,
so
it's
it
a
will
lot.
most of
Okay,
the time
very
to
cool.
understand because it's doing everything fast. So,
Right.
okay, now that's all there, I'm noticing there's a lot of ums and so we
Mhm.
can actually go here. I believe it's in AI tools, and I can actually remove filler words. So it will remove find all filler words, right? Alright, and I just so this is a lot. I didn't wanna find it all. What okay, remove all.
Right. You just remove them.
Yeah, shoot. Alright, so now I removed all those ums, and the thing about it is, even if it removed it so one of the things that I can do is I can let me see if I can stretch this out. Wait. Okay, let's say let's say, okay, we're here. Hold on, let me show you. So if I go here, you see those 2 arrows? I can
Mhm.
actually come in and out and remove things that
Mhm.
okay, let me go ahead and undo it. I think it's perfect the way it is, so I don't wanna okay, wait. Okay, you see how you can't redo it? So I don't wanna
Right.
undo too much. But I think it's such a great tool to just easily, quickly and I thought since you're gonna be training, you're gonna probably be doing interviews, right? You're gonna be collaborating, and if you're gonna be recording your videos, I feel this is the bee's knees.
Yeah. Because 'cause I've got so much content now that I think it's a great way to just refresh it.
And it did look and what I'm saying I'm seeing it, you gotta be also careful, it did remove a lot. So it does condense it into the point of it. So if you're
Mhm.
going off a tangent, it will remove that. So if you don't want that removed, you gotta make it clear with it too. So out
Okay.
of 48 minutes, it removed so much. So let me see when it did that. You can see when it does that. I think it probably did it probably in this section.
Okay.
Oh, look, this video was shortened during the editing process, but we now look, see? With the
Polish 10
B
minutes.
rule yeah, now we did it for 10 I can see the video is shortened to 10 minutes. Let me see what content remains. So, okay, the video is currently 10 minutes instead of the 4 originally, you'll need to undo the last deletion to restore the full content. You can press this to undo and get back to the full. Once you undo, the B-roll will be properly positioned. Oh, that's what I should have done. So you gotta read it.
Yeah.
Well, maybe okay, let's say a problem this happens, right? What I'm gonna do is I'll duplicate this thing again,
Uh-huh.
right? I'm gonna go here. Where am I? Which one am I at? Am I in the copy? No, I have no idea which one I'm
No,
in.
you're in the copy.
Okay, I am.
You're in the
Okay, so
copy
I'm gonna
ones.
do duplicate it, copy of copy. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna roll back
Mhm.
to where it said I don't see the B-roll. So, boom. Currently, so let me do. I'll probably do it here. Boom. It's 48 minutes right now,
Got it.
right?
Mhm.
And I think it did it still I don't know if the B-roll is still there, but I do want the whole thing. I don't want it 10 minutes, but just in case the 10 minutes is good for YouTube, watch the full
Right.
video inside my community. Boom, that's
Right.
good. That's something I think I'm gonna do that.
Okay.
If you can be strategic with it.
Right.
So, okay, let me see what else. So, yeah, so if I wanna add B-roll, I can just add it again. I don't think I am. I think I'm just gonna leave it I think good points, good transitions.
Yeah, the transition points that it has. Mhm,
Mhm, mhm. So you can play around with however much. We don't want too much, right? We don't want because
mhm,
you can go berserk on the editing and then have some like
mhm.
too much movement, too much going
Yeah,
on.
you don't wanna get rid of the meat of it, which it really is the different. Because y'all went on some just a couple of tangents here and there, and
Right.
then in the experience in terms of you trying to hire people, I think that's important. So
Yes.
10-minute one that you have, you can throw that somewhere and be
I'll throw
like,
it
if
on
people wanna watch.
YouTube. Yeah, Imma throw it on YouTube and my Facebook community to give a
Mhm,
little, "Hey, this was what we discussed. If you wanna hear more, it's inside the community. Join Monetizing Mompreneurs Society," right? Join the membership.
cool.
So people can
Right.
see, right, little bits of the membership, right?
Mhm,
What do they get and stuff like that. So, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the sharing.
okay.
Oh, wait, wait,
There you
wait.
go.
Okay, well,
Oh,
maybe
you wanted to
next
show me the reel?
yeah, the reels one. That'll be
Okay.
next month.
Okay. Alright, show the reel in the next month. And then is there a just go look for the Descript? Is that an AppSumo or where's it at?
No, so this one is going to be a monthly investment. So you have to think for yourself, this is something that you want to do, right? Do you want
Okay.
to have it Descript? I feel as though you can either hire someone to do your videos or you can have Descript, right?
Great.
Side. So yeah, so what are your thought questions, comments, or concerns?
I'm gonna look that up because 'cause I've already got captions, and so I'm doing I pay for that monthly, and so I'll just add that to the other one that I'll pay monthly. I mean, between I just know that there are certain things that I'm gonna pay for because I need them, and I do this, and it's just what it requires is lots of play time to just get familiar with it and to really play with it, and I love it because I've actually
If
got a
you're on
bunch of.
YouTube, right? I
Yeah,
mean,
and I YouTube, and I the fact that I YouTube and it's more than a 2-minute or it's more than a 60-second video, and so when people are traveling or they're doing stuff, I was listen to my videos.
mhm.
So all the videos that are long, I'm gonna actually run through this script and I'm gonna repurpose them.
Yes. I mean, I think it's so good. It has a transcribe feature. It's Canva for videos.
Right, right, and then what I can do is in my folks and yo, listen, I've updated my videos, so check stuff out because I think I've got some really good content. It just didn't move in a way. Just because.
Yes,
Yeah.
and this will help with the audio, so it'll sound professional instead of that echoey.
Yeah, and
Um,
what I'm gonna the website, the webinar is what I'm
uh,
gonna put on there.
there you go. So
I
I'm
was gonna do it through ChatGPT, but now this, I wanna do that webinar because I need a yes.
I mean, exactly, and you can cancel anytime. You get what I'm saying? If you're not using it, you can go ahead and cancel it. It is a fraction of the
Oh,
cost of what a video editor will cost you. Yeah.
right. No, 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 I'm gonna use it. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually use that today because one of my to-do on my to-do list is to update that webinar because I
Yeah,
wanna put
I
it back
mean,
on.
it's just a new
Yeah.
way of doing videos that I think is very I mean, I had to let you guys know about it, so alright, girl. So it's working then.
Yes. Yes, it is. I'm very excited.
Shoot, me too. I mean, more amazing things to come, right?
Yes, I do believe that for sure. So this has been really cool.
Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
yeah.
We're doing it.
All right, madam. Enjoy the rest of
Alright,
your day,
have
and
a
I feel
good
like
time. Alright, ciao.
good work. All right, thank you.
Thanks.